up, you guys? Back with another video for y'all. Today we are changing my raggedy ass phone case. Y'all look at this raggedy ass phone case. Look at it coming on the sides. So y'all, we got our new case from Five Below, which is green with the black heart and white heart, as you can see. And y'all, I bought this little other looking thingy, which is called a date night spinner. So when I go on a date, we gonna see where we gonna go, okay? And it's a dinner date, coffee, a day just for you, movie night, and I think the other one says brunch at noon. And yes, you get to spin the wheel once this all happens. So spin it just like that, and we're gonna be lit, okay? So if y'all want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.